guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another makeup tutorial. In this makeup tutorial we are going to be doing, I think, something with like some orange kind of colors and some gold, hence the gold background. I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So, excuse me, I just like flipped around to my glitter wall, and that is what you see. It looks so cool. I have like a little spotlight right behind me, and I think it just looks really cool. So, if you guys want to see this look, please keep on watching, and let's roll with the intro. Okay, so I have a couple of Dose of Colors eyeshadow palettes because I wanted to use some Dose of Colors today because their new foundation just came out, and that's what's on my face. So if you want to see that review, it'll either be up before this video or after this video, probably before this video. I have a couple of palettes. I think I'm going to start with the Desi Katy Friendcation palette. This palette came out probably a year or two ago, and it's still one of my favorites. And it just has a lot of really wearable colors, and then this pop of blue is just so gorgeous. So I'm going to take this shade right here. I think it's called Churro. So I'm going to take that. This is a Stilazzi Crease Blender in L215, and this is just going to go into my crease as my transition shade. And I am going to apply another transition shade because I like this transition shade. It's just not warm enough for me. Like, it's a little too brown as opposed to like orange. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Glam Girl, just a smidge, and I'm gonna tap off the excess because I just want like a light orange hue of this because I am going more for like a terracotta, coppery orange kind of look for today. So I'm actually taking some more of this because I actually kind of like this. And it's just kind of going over the top. Just like that. Just a little more. I can never commit to just like a little bit. I always have to put on enough until I can see it. You know what I mean? So now I'm going to take the brown in this palette. It is called Cheens. Right there. Gonna take some Cheens, and this is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush, and this is going to go into my outer V. Just going to stamp it like that, and then blend it in. Let me move my mirror closer so I can slate. So this is just adding a little bit of definition, and this look isn't going to be like something super crazy. I just need like, you know, a transition shade, a crease shade, and a lid shade, and that's pretty much all I'm doing. And that's why I have some fallout or some, I have some setting powder underneath of my eyes just to catch any fallout. Because once you have your foundation on and your concealer and everything like that, you don't want to mess that up. You know, you want to keep it nice and in togetherness because it's just defeating the purpose of what you just did. So we got to keep everything all together over the over. And now I'm just taking a little bit more of the transition shade and just going over the top just to blend the two together. So for the lid shade, I'm going to take one of their Block Party eyeshadows. This is called Encore. It's like a rusty kind of like orange color. It has some gold reflects and gold undertones. And I'm going to use this all over my lid. Now, I'm kind of nervous because, you know, with any kind of like glittery eyeshadow, like there might be some fallout. And I'm taking this Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush because these are kind of like pressed pigments. So I want to make sure that I have something that's going to really pick this product up and distribute it onto my eyelid, and this is one of my favorite brushes for that. I do have an affiliate link for Morphe. I wish for Makeup Geek. So if you guys do decide to buy something, the link is always in my description box, and it'll just get me a small commission. I do get a small commission every month, and I'm so thankful. So thank you to you guys, whomever is ordering using my link. I appreciate it. You guys are helping me you know, with my Amazon addiction. But see, look at this eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I'm just doing like a soft kind of cut crease type of thing. Like a soft half cut crease. I'm not like being like really crazy with it. But I am going to take it up high enough so it has kind of like, you know, a lot of lid space to show off this very pretty color. And then just kind of like lightly blend it into the brown. And then I'm just going to use the tip of this brush because it is kind of like a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to use it just to go over the edge, just to kind of like soften it a little bit. It's so pretty, oh my gosh. Okay, I am going to take a little bit more of Cheens and just kind of tap it against this outer edge and then just blend, just to make sure everything is nice and blended and there's no like crazy harsh lines or anything. Like that. Okay, so I do want to do some liner. I have this Dose of Colors eyeliner. It's called Take a Hike, and it's kind of like this color. But I had an idea that I would use this as just kind of like a base, and then I'd go over it with a gold eyeshadow. So I don't know how this is gonna work, but because Dose of Colors doesn't have like a gold eyeliner, so I'm gonna use Take a Hike as the base and then go over it with a gold eyeshadow. Okay, I have it down. I'm gonna go too crazy with it, but I'm gonna take the gold from the ILuvSarahii palette. This gold is like butter. And I'm taking a Moda M22, and it's a eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to go right over that. Cool. Okay. So now what's next? I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, or I'm gonna apply some mascara and some eyelashes. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for eyelashes. Maybe I'll pop, I don't know, but I'll definitely let you know because I'm not sure which ones I want to pop on, but I will be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I popped on more lashes, Dream Chaser. Excuse me, they're not as like full as I usually like, but I think for this look I didn't need something super full. I just needed something to make it look like I have eyelashes, but to also not take away from the eye look. So I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use this Kiss lip liner in chocolate, just so I have some type of like structure, because right now I don't feel like I have any structure, and I need some structure. Why can't I say structure? Oh my god, I can't say structure. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to use two lip glosses. The first one is Macchiato from Dose of Colors. But this one's a little bit more like orangey, so it kind of goes with the look. This is their new lip gloss too. First time using this color. And then I'm going to pop on a little bit of a Honey I'm Home, which is a little bit more of a nude. It's like a little lighter of a nude. This is just gonna go like right in the center of my lips. Alright, you guys, I think that wraps up the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!